Hey everyone, my name is Sam and welcome back to Samcraft. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick 20-minute project, and that is taking some PVC pipe and making your own acoustical smartphone amplification device for audio musical pleasure. Yes. For this project, you're going to need the following tools. You need a saw, a tape measure, a pencil, a drill, some drill bits, files or possibly scissors, and a clamp. The materials you need for this project are about a 1-foot section of PVC pipe, 2 elbows, and 2 reducers or adapters. Be sure to check out the links below to my website for the full material list and cut list. Start off this project by measuring the device that you want to place into the holder, adding 2 inches on the left and right side to give you the total length of PVC pipe to cut. Cut that piece plus 2 1.5 inch long sections. When you're done, you'll have the longer piece for your device to go into, as well as 2 shorter pieces to act as the couplers between the elbows and the reducers. Find the center point of your PVC pipe and then measure out to the width you need to cut your opening, and do the same thing for the thickness or the depth of the device. Here's a trick for marking straight lines on a pipe. Use a scrap piece of wood and put your pencil on it stationary, then move the pipe as needed to draw the line. Taking your drill bits and your cordless drill, drill 2 small pilot holes on the left and right sides of the opening to cut, and then drill out the larger opening with the largest drill bit. In this case, I used my 1/2 inch drill bit, but if your device is thicker or thinner, you're going to want to adjust that opening so that it's as tight of a fit as possible. Once you have the 2 holes drilled in your pipe, use a saw to cut out the rest of the waste material to give yourself an oblong opening. Using a set of files, sandpaper, or even a pair of scissors, round off all the sharp edges and smooth out the opening for your device. Once you're done with that, we can move on to assembly. You can choose whether or not to glue the pipes together or just leave them as friction fit as I did. Take the pipe you just cut the opening into and attach your 90-degree elbows on the left and right side of the pipe. Add in the short little 2-inch PVC adapters you cut, and then slap on the reducers. Adjust the angle of the device and everything as you would like, and call it done. I'm serious, guys. That's all. Once you have everything assembled, go ahead and cue up your device with your favorite music and be prepared to have your pants blown off. Here it is, guys. As you saw, I did not glue this together. There is nothing holding the pieces together. If you drop it or slam it or really go crazy with it, I broke it. My toys are falling apart. Yes, it will separate, but as something that will just sit on a shelf and hold a device to play music, it's plenty sturdy enough. Of course, you guys can glue it or add little screws to lock it all in together. Do whatever you want. It's your project. Make it unique. Being totally honest, there is not a huge difference in the sound output from this device or my phone by itself. But if you take into those facts. But if you take into account that this is also a phone holder that will allow me to sit my phone somewhere in my workshop or my office or my home safely, but then give me the audible ability to audibleate the sound that comes from the audibles, ports, then it all works out. So this isn't going to please any major audiophiles out there, but this is a very cool gift idea for a loved one, family, friends, your kids, yourself, whatever. And the skills, tools, and materials you need for this are extremely minimal. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this project. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you got any other ideas or things you want me to try and make as well, leave me a comment below. I love talking with you all. Otherwise, I'll see you next time in the workshop.